Unit 4, Tape Script 4.1. Annie Taylor.
This is Annie Taylor. She's married, and this is her family. Their house is in London. She's a doctor. Annie's hospital is in the centre of town. Jim is Annie's husband. He's a bank manager. Jim's office is in the centre of town too.
Our children are Emma and Vince. Emma is 15. She's at Camden High School. Vince is 19. He's at the University of Westminster. We're all happy in London.
Tape Script 4.2. 1.
Is Annie married?
Yes, she is.
2.
Where's their house?
It's in London.
3.
What's Annie's job?
She's a doctor.
4.
Where's her hospital?
In the centre of London.
5.
What's Jim's job?
He's a bank manager.
6.
Are their children both at school?
No. Emma's at school. Vince is at university.
Tape Script 4.3. Who are they?
Mother, daughter, sister, wife,
father, son, brother, husband,
parents, children.
Tape Script 4.4. 1.
Annie is Jim's wife.
2.
Jim is Annie's husband.
3.
Emma is Annie and Jim's daughter.
4.
Vince is their son.
5.
Annie is Vince's mother.
6.
Jim is Emma's father.
7.
Emma is Vince's sister.
8.
Vince is Emma's brother.
9.
Annie and Jim are Emma and Vince's parents.
10.
Emma and Vince are Jim and Annie's children.
Tape Script 4.5. The Taylor family. 1.
Come on, Emma. Time for school.
2.
Mom, where are my school books?
3.
Bye, everybody. I'm off to work. Have a good day.
4.
Bye, Dad. See you this evening.
5.
Good morning, Mrs. Clark. How are you today?
Tape Script 4.6. Michaela Saki from Chicago.
Hi, my name's Michaela Saki, and I'm from the United States. This is my family. Our house is in Chicago. This is my brother. His name is Massimo, and he's 19. He's a student in college. This is my mother. Her name's Maria. She's 47, and she's an Italian teacher. And this is my father, Giovanni. He's 52, and he's a businessman.
Tape Script 4.7. 1.
What's your name?
My name's Annie.
2.
What are your names?
Our names are Emma and Vince.
3.
Jean-Paul and Andre are students. Their school is in Paris.
4.
My sister's married. What's her husband's name?
5.
My brother's office is in New York.
What's his job?
6.
We're in our English class.
7.
Mum and Dad are in Rome.
What's the name of their hotel?
Tape script 4.8. Paddy McNabb and his family.
We're from Ireland. I have a small hotel in the town of Galway. My wife's name is Shona, and she has a job in town. She's a nurse. We have 3 sons, Paul, Donnie, and Connor. We have an apartment in the hotel. Our sons Paul and Donnie are students at the National University of Ireland, here in Galway. Our son Connor is only 13. He's still at school. My sister, Annie, and her husband Jim have a big house in London. They have 2 children, a son and a daughter. Jim has a very good job.
Tape script 4.9. Paddy's life. 1.
I have a small hotel in the city of Galway.
2.
My wife has a job in town.
3.
We have 3 sons.
4.
We have an apartment in the hotel.
5.
My sister has a big house in London.
Tape script 4.10. Questions and answers. 1.
How's your daughter? She's very well, thank you.
2.
What's your sister's job? She's a nurse.
3.
How old are your children?
They're 10 and 13.
4.
Who is Pedro?
He's a student from Madrid.
5.
Where's your office?
It's in the centre of town.
6.
What's your surname?
Smith.
Reading and writing. My best friend. Number 1. Read about Antonia. Check the new words in your dictionary. 2. Match the photos with the part of the text. Who are the people in the photo? My friend Antonia. A. My best friend name is Antonia. Tony for short. She's very beautiful and she's really funny. She's 18 and she's a student at university in London. She has a lot of friends and a great flatmate. Her name is Valerie. She's 19 and she's also at university. B. Tony is from the north of England. Her parents have a house in a village near Manchester. Her father is an accountant and her mother has a part-time job in a bank. C. She has a brother and a sister. Their names are Mark and Alison. Mark is 16 and Alison is 14. They are both at school. D. Tony has a lot of clothes. Her favorite designer is Anna Sue. And her favorite shop is Topshop. She likes shopping and Alison likes shopping a lot. She also likes football. She and her brother Mark are big Manchester United fans. When we are together, we have a really good time.
Tape script 4.11. Who is it? 1.
Look at these shoes, Alison. They're fantastic.
2.
My flatmate is from the north of England.
3.
London's great, and my flatmate Valerie's great too.
4.
Our sister's at university.
Yeah, she's at university in London.
5.
I like my sister's flatmate. She's funny.
6.
Our children's school is near our house.
7.
My bank is in the centre of Manchester.
8.
Come on, United! Come on!
Yes! A goal!
4-1 to Man United!
Tape script 4.12. The alphabet.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Tape script 4.13. A
H J K
E
B C D E G P T V
E
F L M N S X Z
I
I Y
O
O
Oo
Q U W
R
R
Tape script 4.14. How do you spell 1?
What's your name?
Annie Taylor.
How do you spell your first name?
A N N I E
How do you spell your surname?
T A Y L O R.
2.
What's your name?
Quentin Wrexham.
How do you spell your first name?
Q U E N T I N.
How do you spell your surname?
W R E X H A M. 3.
What's your name?
Takako Matsuda.
How do you spell your first name?
T A K A K O.
How do you spell your surname?
M A T S U D A.
Tape script 4.15. What are the letters?
DVD BBC WWW UK US UAE KSA PC TV
Tape script 4.16. On the phone. 1.
Good morning, Lexicon International.
Hello. The manager, please.
Certainly. And your name is?
Hamid Al-Habsi.
Oh, how do you spell your surname?
A-L-H-A-B-S-I.
Thank you. I'm connecting you.
Hello, Sam Benting speaking.
Good morning, Mr. Benting. My name's Hamid Al-Habsi.
2.
Good afternoon. The King's School of English.
Hello. Can you give me some information about your school, please?
Of course. Your name is?
Mayumi Morioka.
Mayumi... Sorry, how do you spell your surname?
M-O-R-I-O-K-A.
Thank you. What's your email address?
It's morioka@mmdesign.co.jp.
I'll email you some information today.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Tape script 4.17. Email addresses. 1.
Your email address is
pambola@btinternet.com.
B-A...
No, Pam. P-A-M.
Ah, okay. Pam.
Bowler. B-O-W-L-E-R.
Pam Bowler at
btinternet.com.
btinternet.com.
That's it.
2.
Can you tell me your email address?
Yes. harrylime@hotmail.co.uk.
Harry Lime, all one word,
@hotmail.co.uk.
.co.uk. Great. Thanks.
3.
What's your email address?
paulmartin@wanadoo.fr.
Paul
Martin. M-A-R-T-I-N.
Paul Martin
@wanadoo.fr.
.fr. Got it.